got here, it's rain. Village. Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 3. It is 6:30 and we're just about to go get breakfast by the pool with a view. Anyways, y'all.
Bye.
Once again, my breakfast date. This is the view. Very tropical forest. I love Fiji.
Some names are quite.
We're gonna go water rafting. Guys, we're currently on a boat, rafting through the river in Fiji. We're currently walking up to the waterfall. Don't mind my plastic bag because we had to put all our stuff in there while we were on the boat. Ooh, look at the waterfall. We're about to see the beautiful waterfall. Wow, 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 wow.
Not seeing sheep because of all the cows and the night and the. Oh, you did?
Ducks
Oh.
imported out of Australia and New Zealand.
We're inside this village. We're here for lunch. How we got here? It's raining, so green.
The kava of the Yangona is now finally properly mixed and as well diluted.
Hola. Okay guys, we're currently on our way back after our day tour. It was really fun. We had bamboo rafting, boat riding in the rain. That was the highlight. And now we've
See the waterfall.
yeah. Now we got some snacks from the gas station. This is Cola Kits, my favorite. We have some Super Ring, my childhood favorite. Some Pepero. Mary picked this Turtle Chips, sweet corn flavor. We have kimchi, carbonara, some mami and shin ramyun. We're gonna watch mukbang. Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 4 and our last day here in the beautiful DoubleTree Resort. Gonna go get breakfast before we leave and check out the view. I'm hungry. We said we're gonna eat a bunch today for the worth of our money. Yep. This is gonna be our last view before we head back. Oh, we're gonna miss it. Anyways, we're heading back to the airport. We're at the airport. We're just killing time here because we came like 4 hours early.
You want to say something? You want to say something? If you want to say it, say it. Cause?
No, nothing.
It's okay, you can say it.
Girl, she makes me laugh the hardest. Anyways, we're gonna be sitting around for like 3 to 4.
We enjoy sitting around and doing nothing.
That's fine. That's fine. Not a problem at all. I'm loving it. Just doing nothing, sitting, chilling. Love it. We're gonna catch you guys when we're on the plane, when we board.